What's up, fam? Welcome, my beautiful bad bitches of the world. If you are new, hello, my name is Natalie, and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video I am so excited for. I have been trying to do one of these videos for a while, but they do take like a lot of time. But this video is going to be a 2-look tutorial for the upcoming Thanksgiving holiday, or anything you would like to wear green makeup to. Green and purple eyeshadows are very much out of my comfort zone. I tend to stay in neutrals and then also corals and reds and pinks, but greens and purples are, yes, I'm going to admit it, out of my comfort zone. So I'm gonna do 2 looks. So the first one is a more, it's kind of like an avant-garde. It's not your typical green Thanksgiving eye. I use the NATASHA DENONA palette, and I use this shade right here, Antique Olive, and I think this is such a unique shade and a nice like twist on the typical green eye. And oh my god, you guys, I found the perfect dupe for this shadow for $4. So if nothing else in this video, you like, that would be worth watching it right there, because these are not cheap and it's an exact dupe, like no joke. And so the first look is more natural, no lashes, just kind of more toned down, but still very unique and wearable for any different color eyes, any different color skin. And then this one, this is the more traditional like green Thanksgiving, and like this is for my glamorous girls with a capital G. So you know that's me, you know I'm extra like all the time. But I did want to give you guys 2 options, because I know not everyone is as extra as I am, and I want to, you know, give you guys some more wearable options. So if you would like to see how to get these 2 looks for the upcoming Thanksgiving season, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up and by subscribing to my channel. And let's get right into it. Alright guys, so my eyes are primed, and we are going to start off with Makeup Geek Creme Brulee and an E40 brush by Sigma, and we're going to use this as our transition shade. So we're just going to put that in your natural crease, go from inner to outer corner, and just kind of build that color up, so we'll have a nice base that will help us blend the other colors. Now I'm going in with ColourPop Paper Tiger and an M441, and I'm just kind of going over where we put the transition shade and building up like the mustardy yellow in the crease. I think that just went really well with Creme Brulee. I really like this color. And I'm just going to build the intensity up some more and then blend it with the E40. So now I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette, and I'm taking that army green color with a Sigma E25, and I'm going to be putting that in my crease and then also patting it in the outer corner. I don't want to bring it up as high as I brought the other colors. I want to keep this color low, so I'm going to keep my brush kind of turned to the side. And then I'm taking the M441 and blending that. Now I'm going to put this NYX glitter glue all over my lid in preparation for our lid shade. I don't think I could live without glitter glue. And now we're going to go in with this NATASHA DENONA Eyeshadow 5 palette in number 9 with the color Antique Olive, which is right here. It is such a beautiful, unique shade, and I found the exact same, I found an exact dupe for it, a ColourPop shadow called Rose All Day. I found it unintentionally when I was filming this tutorial, but I was like, oh my god, this is amazing. So here is Rosé All Day by ColourPop, and I'm going to put it right next to the NATASHA DENONA shadow. Look at that. Like, if that isn't a perfect dupe, I don't know what is. So you can use either one of those shadows, and we are going to be putting that on the lid. So I'm taking a flat synthetic brush, and I'm just putting that all over my lid where I laid the glitter glue down first. Oh my gosh, I just live for this color, but I hardly ever wear it. I just forget how gorgeous it is. Oh my gosh, and this is with no glitter glue or anything. So just put that all over your lid. So now I'm going to be going in with ColourPop Feathered, which is a deep chocolate brown, and I'm going to be taking a pencil brush and putting that in the outer corner of my eye, just kind of blending that color with the antique green shade from the lid and marrying them together. Then I slowly bring it into the crease. Make sure there's no harsh lines, and then I just keep building that color up until I get the desired intensity I like. I am so obsessed with this look, you guys. Let me know what you think of colors like this. So now I'm just going to be doing the same thing on the other side, and I'm using an R41 brush by Morphe. I don't think I mentioned that. So just deepen up that outer crease and then bring it slowly into the inner crease, and then blend it out with the Sigma E25. So now I'm going to be taking some Fix Plus, and I'm going to be wetting my brush and going back in with that antique olive shade. These Natasha Denona shadows, you really don't even need Fix Plus, but you know your girl's extra. And now I'm just using my finger to kind of build the intensity up just a little bit. Now I'm just going to clean up the edges and take this NYX dark brown eye pencil, and I'm going to line the upper waterline. I didn't want to use black since this is more of like a low-key look, but I'm also going to be putting that on the lower lash or lower waterline as well. Now I'm just going to be blending it out with that army green shadow. And then I also go in with Feathered, that dark brown. And now I'm just going to blend it out. And I'm also going to use that and just put a little bit in the very outer corner, and then go over it with the Feathered shade just to kind of give the outer corner some definition. Now I'm going to go in with this sleek Solstice highlighting palette and use that color right there to highlight the brow bone. I'm going to put some TARTEIST mascara on, and then that will be look number 1. You know, kind of like avant-garde, kind of unique twist on a Thanksgiving look. If you want to make an impression but you don't want to do like full out glam, this would be a great way to do that. And I'm actually like living for this look right now. Feeling myself. So now we are going to go on to the second one. Okay, so this one is going to be from my girls who are glamorous. Like, it's Thanksgiving, and if you bitches didn't know it was Thanksgiving, you're gonna know by my makeup, okay? That's where we at. So, I am going to start this R39 by Morphe and go in with Peach Smoothie by Makeup Geek as a transition color. Makeup Geek Chickadee and the same brush. So we are going to take this L'Oreal Infallible eyeliner in True Teal, and we're going to put this on the inner third and outer third of our eye. This eyeliner is amazing. I'm gonna take this Morphe M170 something small brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade in the middle right here and put that right over top of the eyeliner. NYX base in white. This color here. by Makeup Geek. So this is the second completed look. I finished the rest of my makeup, put some lashes on, put a lip on. So for lashes, let me see. I put on the Kiss lashes in Brazier, and for the lip, I use the BUXOM Wildly Whipped Lightweight Liquid Lipstick in Centerfold. I thought a very nude lip was very appropriate for this. I mean, I'm extra, but I'm not that extra to where I'm gonna do like a bright ass green eyeshadow look and a bold lip. No, I still got some class in me. So here is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed these two Thanksgiving holiday themed green inspired makeup tutorials. I was just really feeling the whole holiday vibes, and just green is a color I do not play with much. It is out of my comfort zone, but this palette has, like, I have been wanting to do green and purple looks because of these palettes. So they have definitely inspired me and gotten me to go out of my comfort zone, which I am very thankful for because this looks bomb, like, if I do say so myself. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.